I will do this. Alright, this shit too loud. Let me make sure that shit not too loud.
Yes, sir, baby. On the radar radio performances. Yo,
The fuck?
skaiwater in the building.
Bro, I know this nigga don't have no fucking nails on, bruh. Is this a Lil Uzi clone, nigga? Mixed with Playboy Cardi? The fuck is this?
Light and rain right here for you on the radar. I'm gonna step out. He gonna step in. All right, let's go.
Bro, what the fuck? That nigga has nails. This shit kinda. Bro, why is this nigga so zesty with it though, bro? Like, oh my god. Oh my god, this shit sound like it's gonna be fire though.
Can't come around, you a fucking clown and you ain't got shit to say. Yeah, I just had a light bulb.
Damn!
Break the cycle. Yeah, go ahead with that goofy shit. Yeah, I'm sure that bitch a nice dude. Yeah, Miami bitches love money. Yeah, I follow her in high school. Can't believe a nigga got money. We was dropping out of high school. You play in my face, I pay for it. You not on my dick, you play with it. That's all God.
This shit cool.
I don't need no dream, I'm chasing. Fuck it if you choose to lay with it. Just text me back, I need.
Bro, I don't know if I can listen to this shit, bro. Like, it's enough for me to listen to Lil Uzi and Playboy Cardi, and these niggas got on fucking thongs and shit, bro. But now these niggas wear fucking full-on nail sets, bro. The fuck, boy? Bro. God, bro.
Skaiwater.
This shit kind of hard though. I can't lie. Damn. The fuck? It's not be a beat switch?
4 a.m. Shooting up pops at the club. 4 a.m. She going home. It's a different game. Baby girl, we in Hollywood. It's ain't Mary Lane. Smoking Mary Jane to ease the pain. Fucking around with lanes. I must be a clown. You smiling in my face.
Bruh.
You playing in
This nigga's so zesty with it though, but this shit fire.
my face. You're looking for another sign. I'm on your For You page. And I can't stop the rain from coming. Tequila flowing, music bumping, but I can't stop the rain. Babe, tell me something, cause you've been bluffing, and I've been doing the same. Yeah, wish I had all the receipts to get my time back.
Damn.
You cut you a platinum bitch, like how you find that?
Damn.
Make me feel so fucking stupid, way on that. Girl, I can't. Back to the road, yeah. Just to hit my phone, yeah. We stick to the code. You a demon, baby. Before what they say. We woke up in bed. Rick on hoodie for my baby head tie. Right, they just vibrate. He never come outside when I lights out. We done scared him straight. Still can't stop that rain. Still can't stop that rain. Still can't stop that rain. I wanna pop that hoe.
Nah, bro, I can't listen to this nigga, bro. He's making me zesty, bro. This nigga's making me zesty, dog. Oh my god, bro. I can't help it, bro. Like, it's when you listen to this shit, you feel like you a bad bitch, bro. I can't help it, bro. Oh, bro, my ancestors would be so, bro, needs to be disappointed in me. But fuck, bro, this shit is heat, though. God. Hold on, bro, I gotta hear that beat drop again, bro. Nah, I ain't gonna be zesty, though. I ain't gonna be zesty.
Can't. So I'm back to the road, yeah. Just to hit my phone, yeah. We stick to the code. You a demon, baby. Before what they say. We woke up in bed. Rick on hoodie for my baby head tie. Right, they just vibrate. He never come outside when I lights out. We done scared him straight. Still can't stop that rain. Still can't stop that rain. Still can't stop that rain. I wanna pop that hoe. Fuck around, rinse my bank. Yeah, my money the same. This bitch is the same. Still fucking in lane. You rockin' my shit. I gave him a pass, but just for today. If I give you my hand, and you promise to stay, I left bread in your room. This is just for today.
Nah, this shit is hard, dog. Damn.
I can't stop
The rain.
tequila
Damn, my shit's so tight.
music moving, but I can't stop the rain. Baby, tell me something, cause you've been bluffing, and I've been doing the same. Yeah, wish I had all the receipts to get my time back. Yeah, you caught you a platinum bitch, like how you find that? Make me feel so fucking stupid when you wonder. Girl, I can't.
Damn. I'm never listening to that nigga again, bro. That shit made me too zesty. No cap.
Hey,